Want more clicks, conversions, and sales? Let's talk 5 quick tips for a high-converting Shopify landing page. Your headline is the first thing visitors see. Make it count. It should be clear, benefit-focused, and bold. Think get glowing skin in 7 days instead of welcome to our store. Your landing page should have one clear goal, whether it's getting signups, purchases, or downloads. Ditch distractions like extra navigation links. Focus drives action. High-quality images or videos sell your product better than text alone. Show the product in use, highlight benefits, and keep the design clean and modern.
People trust people. Use customer reviews, testimonials, or media mentions to build credibility fast. Apps like Loox or Judge Me make it easy to add.
Use a clear call to action. Don't leave them guessing. Use bold specific CTAs like get 20% off now or start your free trial. Make it pop and place it more than once. A great Shopify landing page doesn't just look good, it converts. Apply these tips and turn your traffic into sales today.